September 14th. I'm here in Central Florida, and I wanted to go ahead and get my fall garden planted starting the 15th to the end of the month and beyond. And so I'm in the garden, and I need to check out and see what type of work I got to do, because I've been busy planting banana plants, preparing hugelkultur beds, and getting trailer loads of manure and mulch and compost, and planting fruit trees and a host of other stuff. So with that said, I need to check out and see what kind of work I got to start doing in the next couple of days to get everything planted. So I have plants in the house under LED lights. It's time for me to start moving them onto the porch to harden up. And as that's taking place, I have to do some stuff over here. So let me see what I need to do. Okay, so these are my beds. Got a couple little weeds here and there. I've been on top of it pulling them out. So I went ahead and put down all new mulch at the end of my season, and I went ahead and put down some new compost, that's sheep manure over horse manure. So I'm going to turn that over a little bit better, and so everything's kind of looking good. I'm going to check out all my irrigation. I'm going to remove all the piping, all this piping I had up last time. Now I have new piping overhead for my shade cloth. I got some eggplants that are overgrown. They were cut to the ground. They came back. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off the overripe ones, tie them up, and I got plenty of nice ripe ones on there. Now this bed, last time I was in here trimming, I must have passed this one up, so I got to get in here and do a little weeding. And you can kind of see I got eggplants coming in right here, and I got eggplants on my vines over here. Look at all those eggplants down in there. Okay, so these beds are looking good. I just got a little bit of weeding to do, but a lot of these weeds like this I already pulled. They're just laying there. I usually throw them around and let the sun do away with them. Gonna go ahead and redo my honeybee water over here, pull everything out, clean it up. I got a lot of eggplants coming in, as you can see. I got white and I got green. They're overgrown, so I got to go ahead and trim them up. You can kind of see, hey, look at this little critter over here saying hi. Hello. So all these kind of fell down a little bit, so I'm going to prop them up. I got some purple ping tong over there. And so I think I'm going to start propping those up. Got honeybees flying around. All my culverts are still empty, doing good. And all these here fell down, so I got to put them up. And as you can see, the fruit are weighing them down. They're way over my head, and I just broke this branch, so I'm going to have to be real careful. So I'm going to go ahead and pick these right here. Time to eat them. Okay, so that's what I got going on in the garden. It's going to take a couple days worth of work, but I definitely want to get those eggplants up. So let me go check out my watermelons over here. My grapevines, I ate all them. They're just hanging out, doing good. But let's check out some watermelons over here. Okay, starting down this way, got a lot of blossoms. Got some blossoms going on. Got some blossoms. Got some golden golds coming in over here. From real small ones to some larger ones. Gotta love these golden golds. They definitely stand out. Look at them. They're doing pretty good over here. The vines are growing nicely. Now this, in the fall, I let them grow that way and I let them grow this way. So let's go ahead and go around and see what I got. A lot of blossoms though on them. A lot of pollinators flying around right now. And I have a lot of watermelons coming in. All different sizes. Okay, you can see how overgrown it is back here, so I'm going to have to tiptoe, so I don't want to step on anything. But you can kind of see all the watermelons over here going around. A lot of nice watermelons. They still got a ways to go. Got a little bit of humidity and a little fungus problem going on in here. But that's okay. It's only the leaves. I'm going to come in here and spray. Yep. Oh, what's going on with this one? I don't even know. Look at that guy. What is it? Wow. That just don't look right. See, right in here with the water and the moisture, and being that it's hot summer, you go ahead and you get some fungus going on. But I'll go ahead and tackle that. This watermelon right here, look at that tendril. That tendril is saying, look at right there, that tendril, and this leaf here is dry, and the bottom's looking good on it. All I gotta do is wait for some of these here to break, those lines. This one's almost ready to pick. Look at that. Okay, coming over this way. Let's see what I got. Same thing over here. The tendril is almost ready for this one to be picked. So I got some watermelons that are real close. Anyways, a summer to fall watermelon crop. Most people don't plant them because of the humidity. I got a fresh watermelon coming up here. I planted it because the first batch didn't come up. So that will be a late batch. And let me go over this grapevine and go on the other side over here. Okay, going down this way. The vines are growing in nicely. I can see fruit on them. Small fruit, larger fruit. So there's definitely melons coming in. Yeah, you can see the melons coming in over there. I can see that the tendrils are saying, almost time to pick some of them. That's going to be nice. Got melons coming in over here. Okay, so that's it for this side. And I also got some tomatoes coming in over here. I'm not sure what tomatoes they are. They dropped in from a seed from last year. So that's a plus. Okay, so let me go down this way. Planting in this hot and humid and damp weather is always challenging, especially with spring crops. Watermelons are not supposed to be a summer to fall crop, just spring. But all in all, looks like they're doing good. I got plenty on the vines over here. These are called strawberry watermelons. They're going to be delicious, and I got strawberry watermelons coming in. That's nice. Over here, these are orange glow watermelons. They're coming in. We'll go around the other side in a minute. They got a ways to go, but they're looking good over here. And even got a little fresh plant coming in, so that's going to be nice. I'll be getting watermelons over here coming in and ripening at different stages. I see animal tracks in here. Huh. I don't see leaves eaten, so here we go. More down in there. So I got some nice watermelons coming in. That's great.